Hola chicas, what I'm just going to get you to try to do for today is when you go to página 87, page 87 of your textbooks, okay? And I'm just going to get you to try this comprehension here on Rafa Nadal, okay? And on Rafa Nadal, so página 87. I'm just going to read through it and highlight some vocabulary, and you're going to try the thing, okay? So here we've got, okay, so Rafa Nadal, conocido como Rafa. So Rafa Nadal, conocido here means known as. Es un tenista español. So he's a Spanish tennis player, okay? Tenista, tennis player, okay? Tiene 31 años. Tiene 31 años, okay, so he's 31, we don't 31 años, okay? Y vive con sus padres en Manacor, un pueblo en la isla de Amor, en Mallorca. La más grande, so la más grande here is the biggest. De las islas Baleares, okay, Baleares. En el mar Mediterráneo, okay, in the Mediterranean Sea. Mar here is sea. In the Mediterranean Sea. Es bastante alto, so he's quite tall. Y tiene el pelo moreno, and he has dark hair. Y los ojos marrones, brown eyes. Remember, marrones here is your brown. Okay. Empezó. So now empezó, that's a verb in the past tense, we haven't seen that. He started. Empezó a jugar al tenis con 3 años de edad. Okay, so he started to play tennis when he was 3. 3 años de edad. Edad here is age. Y su entrenador es su tío. We know tío is uncle here, okay? And entrenador here is his trainer. So his uncle was his trainer. Okay. Hay 4 personas en su familia. Okay, there's 4 people in his family. Su padre se llama Sebastián. His dad's name is Sebastián. Su madre se llama Ana María. His mom is called Ana María. Tiene un hermano menor. No, menor is younger. Okay, we know menor here is younger. Se llama Isabel y vive en Londres, and she lives in London. La novia, so the girlfriend, okay, novia, we've seen this before, his girlfriend, but GF there. De Rafa se llama Jessica y es una mujer guapa. So she's a beautiful woman, guapa, is beautiful. Con el pelo moreno, okay, with she's dark hair. Y rizado, curly. Okay, so why don't you have a look 2 things? That's just all I want you to have a look at today. Okay, so so make a little vocabulary. I'm going to put that into your vocab copy. Okay, and then I want you to try these questions here. Okay, so who is Rafa Nadal? So remember, if the preguntas are in English, you have to put the response in English. So questions English, answer English. Okay, so who is Rafa Nadal? What age is he? Where is Manacor? What does Rafa look like? How old was he when he started to play tennis? Who is his coach? How many people are there in his family? What do we learn about his sister? Who is Ziska? What does she look like? And then here you have to put the following words into English, okay? So you got the words las islas, el mar, su entrenador, una hermana menor, and rizado. Okay, so you're translating these to español a inglés. Okay, so that's the first thing I want you to do. We're kind of at the end of the chapter as well. So the other thing to make you do is just I'll probably do a live class with you the day after. So just make sure you've got questions 7 and 8 done as well on página 85. I'll say question 7, 8 and page 85. Is that okay? So just to recap, page 87, I just want to do this comprehension on Rafa Nadal. I just went through it. And make sure you've got questions 7 y 8 done on página 85. Muchas gracias, chicas.